Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a little something different. As you know by now, I live in Hawaii and it is actually really hard to get things shipped here. Like if they do ship, it's very expensive. There is a company called Smallwoods and they do these big beautiful framed prints. They're very rustic looking, they're very simple. I actually have one over my bed. It's just like a saying, "You will forever be my always," and I ordered it before we moved to Hawaii. So I wanted one of these prints and I cannot get them in Hawaii. Yes, they ship them here, however it is almost double the cost of the print to have it shipped here. So I think it was like 17 by 22 I had put together, and it ended up being a little over $100 for this one small 17 by 22 print framed to get sent here. So I figured I would do it myself. So my office is like office / guest room, and we did just put a bed in here, so I want something to go over the guest bed, since it's my office, I obviously want it to be a picture that I took. I don't necessarily recommend Walgreens for printing, like I would never like tell a client to go to Walgreens, but in the effort to keep this, you know, as cheap as possible, I went to Walgreens and I printed a 20 by 30 picture, and it was about $15, give or take. I know they have sales. I think this one was like 40% off, but they have sales all the time. So after the sale, this one was about $15. After I ordered the print, I went to Home Depot and I got two 1x2 boards. I want to say these were probably like 6 feet long, so it wasn't going to be enough. One board wasn't going to be enough, so I bought two, and they were about like a little over $2. So it was about $5 for these two boards. I got some stain. I got a darker color stain. I just tend to like darker woods, and some little picture hangy things on the back. So the total budget for this, because I did have a few things at home already, is probably about $25 with the wood, the stain, the hangers. I already had nails, I already had a staple gun. So definitely do it again, because now I already have the stain, I already have some of those picture hangers for the back. It would actually be cheaper to do another one, so I might actually do another one. But this one, with having to buy quite a few things for it, ended up being around $25. So I kind of filmed as we went here and I made a video, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright, that's it. I hope you liked that little video montage with all the details of how we put this together. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. Like I said, I think total cost was in and around $25. So I saved myself about $75 on something that's actually a little bit bigger than the print I was going to get from Smallwood. So if you've ever made anything like this, I'd also love to know if you end up making one. I would love to see it. You can always tag me on Instagram at Teal Garcia Photo. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. I will see you next time. Bye!